Welcome students. So today we are going to see what's my electric potential, then electric potential at a point due to point charge with an example. Next we are going to see the electric potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Okay. Now first we can see the definition for electric potential. What's electric potential? So this electric potential is nothing but the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point with a constant velocity against the electrical repulsive force. Okay, suppose you are having a point charge plus q here. Suppose you want to know the potential at a point P. First you have to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. So to bring this unit positive charge, we have to do work against this repulsive force of this point charge. So a repulsive force will be acting in opposite direction. So we have to bring this to bring this unit positive charge, we have to do work. This work is stored as energy, or that energy in bringing this unit positive charge from infinity to that point is stored as energy. That energy is called electric potential. So here suppose this is R, this is R. So we can derive the equation based on this definition. Okay. So electric potential is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge with constant velocity against the electrical repulsive force of the charge. Okay. The next we are going to derive the expression for electric potential. So in general, electric potential formula is V is equal to minus E vector dot dr vector, integration is there. Okay. So integration. Also you can take a linear integration. You can put like this. Okay. Next, you know very well the minus sign is used for doing the work against the electrical force. So work is done against the electrical force. So that's why we are using this minus sign. E refers to electric field due to point charge. Dr is the displacement vector. Okay. But you know the value of E. What's the E value? E vector is equal to what? Already we are seeing 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square r cap. R cap is the unit vector acting in the direction of the electric field. Okay. Now substitute this one in this equation. We get minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square r cap into dr vector. Okay. So here this dr vector can be written as dr vector is equal to dr dot r cap. This is dr is the magnitude, r cap is the unit vector acting in the direction of dr. Now substituting this one here, you can get, you bring this q by 4 pi epsilon 0 out, we get integration of this in place of this dr vector, we are placing this one. Okay. So that's definition is what we are doing work against the electrical repulsive force from infinity to the point. So the integration should be like this: infinity to r, infinity to r, infinity to r. Okay. Now on that r cap dot r cap, this value is what 1. So we can write V is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Then r cap dot r cap is 1 by 1. So integration of infinity to r. Then see here that we are having r squared. R squared is there. So 1 by r squared into dr. Okay. Now the integration of, you know that the integration of 1 by x squared. So this value is what? Minus q by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus 1 by r. Integration is what? 0 infinity to r. Okay. Now substitute these values. So you know the minus or minus gives you plus q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. So 1 by infinity value is what? 0. So this becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. So this is the expression for electric potential at a point due to a point charge. Okay, so this is the final expression. So based on this one, I can do a sum also. So here, suppose we take this is 1 microcoulomb charge, 1 microcoulomb. This distance is 1 meter. Then we can find the value of V value. So this is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. What's the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0? 9 into 10 power 9. What's the q value? 1 microcoulomb. So 10 power minus 6. 1 micro means 10 power minus 6 coulomb by what's the value of r value? 1 meter. Okay. So substituting on this value, you can get 9 into 10 power. So 9 minus 6 is what? 3. So V is equal to 9 into 10 power 3 volt. Or you can write 9000 volt. Okay. So this is the electric potential at a point due to a charge of 1 microcoulomb at a distance of 1 meter. Okay. So next we are going to see electric potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Due to an electric dipole. Okay, so you know very well what is the electric dipole. So dipole is what? When two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance, they will constitute an electric dipole. Okay, so you know that examples: hydrogen chloride, water. These are some of the examples for polar molecules or electric dipoles. Okay, now our purpose is to find the electric potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Okay, very important 5 mark question. You can see it now. Here we are having two charges, minus q. Here we can have another charge, plus q. When this is separated by a small distance 2a, this will constitute an electric dipole. Okay, so you can see the diagram separately, neatly. So here we can take minus q. This is placed at a. Here we are having plus q. This is placed at a point B. So O be the center. So this is A. This point is this distance is A. So here we are taking a point P. This point P is joined with center O of the dipole. Let this angle made by this line be theta. If this is theta, this will be 180 minus theta. Okay. Now join BP. Join AP. Okay. Now this is what this distance, take this as R1, this distance as R2. Okay. Here our purpose is to find the electric field, electric potential at this point due to this electric dipole. So if you know the formula for electric potential at a point due to point charge, that is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. So we are going to use this formula. This is a scalar, so you know very well. So here, if you are having plus q, put plus q, minus q, you have to put minus q only. Okay. Now we can see the electric potential at P due to plus q alone. Electric potential due to plus q at the point P. So we can take this V1. V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by what's the distance? R1. So in place of R we are putting R1. Okay. So similarly, what's the electric potential at the P due to minus q? We take this V2. V2 is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by R2 but minus because this is minus q. Okay. So next, what's the total potential? Total potential is equal to sum of these two. Sum of these two, that is V1 plus V2, but here q by 4 pi epsilon 0, this is common. You can take q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is equation number 1. Okay. Here our purpose is to find 1 by R1 value and 1 by R2 value. So here R1 is in the equation in the triangle OBP. So if you apply cosine law, what is cosine law? You might have come across this cosine law in your plus 1. So we can remember it. R1 squared is equal to R1 squared is equal to this distance. Actually this point is what? P is at a distance R. So R squared plus A squared minus 2RA cos theta. Okay. Here we take R squared out. R squared 1 plus A squared by R squared minus 2A by R squared. So this becomes 2A by R cos theta. Okay. So here this R is very larger when compared with A. This R value, this distance is larger. So we can neglect this A squared by R squared value. So this becomes almost negligible. Now the equation becomes R squared 1 minus 2A by R cos theta. Okay. So this is R1 square value. Taking square root on both sides, we get this square will be going off. This becomes whole power of. Now by taking a reciprocal, this gives you 1 by R, 1 by R1, 1 by R. This is what? Minus of. Okay, taking a reciprocal because we need only 1 by R1. Okay. So next. Okay. Next, it takes using binomial expansion. You know that binomial expansion 1 minus x whole power n is equal to what? 1 minus nx. The higher terms will be neglected. So you substitute this one. So bring this in place of n, we are getting minus of. So bring this minus of inside. Go minus of minus becomes plus. So here bring the minus becomes plus. So 1 by 2, 2 and 2 will be cut off. So this becomes 1 by R, 1 plus A by R cos theta. So this is what? 1 by R1. You take this as equation number 2. Next. Similarly, the find next purpose is to find 1 by R2 value. So where is the R2? R2 is in the triangle AOP. So in this triangle, if you apply cosine law, so this R2 squared is equal to R squared plus A squared minus 2RA cos 180 minus theta. Okay. So here R squared is taken out, 1 plus A squared by R squared. Here this is what? Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus or minus becomes plus. So here this 180 minus theta becomes cos theta. Okay, minus cos theta. So this becomes plus then A by, so the R squared is taken out, 2A by R cos theta. So this is what? R2 square. Taking square root on both sides, this square will be going off. This becomes 4 power of. Taking reciprocal, 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R, here minus. Here this term is very small, as usual you can neglect it. So this becomes almost is 0 negligible. So this above equation can be written as 1 plus. Okay. So here according to binomial expansion, bring this minus of inside, so that above equation becomes 1 by r cos equal to 1 by r 1 minus, when this minus of comes inside, so a by r cos theta. So this is your third equation. So 1 by r2 value. So already we have seen 1 by r1 value. This is for 1 by r1 value. Here this is 1 by r2 value. Now substitute both equations in the equation number 1. We get v is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Okay. This here 1 by r is common. So you can take 1 by r out. Then here substitute value 1 plus a by r cos theta minus here 1 minus a by r cos theta. So bring this negative sign inside. So this is minus 1, this becomes plus. Okay. This minus plus 1 and minus 1 will be cut off. So a by r cos theta, a by r cos theta. This gives you 2a by r cos theta. So now we can write q by 4 pi epsilon 0. So here r is there into 2a by r cos theta. Sorry. Okay. So here, so q into 2a is what? You know very well, electric dipole moment. So P is equal to Q into 2A. Already we have seen. Okay, charge into distance of separation is what? Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment will act from minus Q to P plus Q. So we can put a P here also. So simplify this one. We get V is equal to what? V is equal to P 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is why here we can put 1 by epsilon 0 out. Q into 2 is what? P. Cos theta is that. Cos theta by R into R is what? R squared. So this is the final expression. In the vector notation also we can write V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P cos theta by R squared. So okay, in the dot product we can write. So we have in place of cos theta we can take this cos theta out. We can put vector P dot P cap. What is P cap? P cap is the unit vector acting in the direction of the electric dipole moment. So here we take this product, vector A dot B is what? AB cos theta. So here theta becomes 0. So cos theta is 1. So that we can get the previous step. Okay. So this is the vector form of electric potential. So even though electric potential is a scalar, we can write in the vector form also. Okay. So get rid of this one.